Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today what I'm going to show you is one of my favorite recipes, so let's get started. Shopping at Walmart. I'll try to find my slip. I think they stuck it in here. Nope. Here it is. Of all the bags that you see here, plus I have 3 on the floor and 3 behind me, I bought 70 items, and for the 70 items it came to a total of $253.19. So here's the receipt. A lot of this stuff is like bathroom products, underarm deodorant. So all this will go in my room. I picked up a couple of treats, potato chips, I put them in the cabinet, cereal, the Keebler cookies. They had them on sale for $2. Normally they're sometimes $1.98, but usually all the time they're $2.50. So when they're $1.98, I usually buy quite a bit, but they were just $2, so I only bought 3. Wonder Bread. Vinegar. I figured with Easter coming, coloring Easter eggs, plus I clean a lot with vinegar. Fruit. More bathroom products, so this can go in my room. Bathroom cups. They have this new size now. Instead of the, I think it was 5 ounce, you can now get 3 ounce, because the 5 ounce had 100 in it. The 3 ounces got 200. And all it is to really rinse your mouth out after you brush your teeth. That's all I use it for. So you don't need a big cup. some refrigerated items. The French vanilla for coffee, that's my favorite. Picked up some blueberries. And I picked up some goodies here. I'll be making a dessert. That'll be a surprise. I have the Granny Smith apples, and then I picked up these diapers that I use for my dog. It's cheaper than doggy diapers, so I pick up the large box. This one here, it lasts me for a couple of months. I put it around him because he tends to, I guess, mark his territory because I have 2 males in the house. So you can see some of the items here: vegetable broth, mayonnaise. I needed some storage bags, steakums. I'll put that in the freezer. So everything you see here, plus the items I put away, this will all go in the pantry and then some in my bathroom cabinet. And you can see the price there, $253.19. So now I'll start putting some of the items away. I needed kosher salt, but can you believe it? They were actually out of kosher salt. Put these away. Yogurt. I'll put this in the fridge. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching this haul from Walmart. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.